Hi there, Victor Delerme. It's great to see you again, and I haven't seen you in a while, so I'm excited that we're here, and thank you for your time. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that might not be as exciting, but it's very important, and it's tax returns. I mean your tax returns. Now, just like managing finances or running a successful business, sometimes we need to revisit the past just to make sure that the present is better and the future is even more better. Amending tax returns is a bit like fine-tuning your financial strategy. Life is dynamic and circumstances can change. You have maybe missed a deduction, you maybe forgot to report income, or maybe there's new information that was not available when you initially filed your taxes. The IRS allows you to go back 3 years and amend your taxes. So, for example, we are in the year here 2024, and we will be filing tax returns for the year 2023. The IRS will allow you to file amended tax returns for the years 2022, 2021, and the year 2020. Life happens, and the tax code can be complex. Trust me, I've been in business for 15 years now, and I know how complex and confusing the tax code is. I'm studying it all the time. And I know life can be complex and things do change. Perhaps your life changed. You got married, you had a child, you started a business, or you started multiple business, and you probably received additional income that you forgot to include in your original return. Amending your tax return is a way to make sure that your financial picture aligns with your current situation. You will need to file what's called the tax form 1040X. And in the second page of the 1040X, you provide an explanation of why you are amending your taxes. So for example, if there's additional income that you missed in your original returns, you're going to explain in detail what was the level of income and the amount that you forgot to include in the original return and how much you're including in the amended return. Same with expenses. If you forgot to include expenses, deductions, or credits, on the second page of the form 1040X, you can include those amounts and why you missed those figures in the original return. This form allows you to correct errors or provide additional information that may have an impact in your tax liability. It is essential, to present an accurate and complete income tax return. It is very important. Now, just like managing a successful business, transparency is key. Clearly explain the changes you're making and include any supporting documentation. This will help you ensure a smooth process and reduce the chances of any misunderstandings with the IRS. I understand that this may raise some questions. Trust me, I've been in the business for many years and I've helped hundreds and hundreds of clients. So I have a lot of experience in this process. And you may be wondering about potential penalties or how long is the process going to take. So if your question is, well, Victor, let's say that I'm going to amend my taxes, okay? How long is it going to take for me to receive the money? How long is the IRS is going to take to process the paperwork and issue the money? Well, let me tell you, the IRS now allows you to e-file your amended returns. Years and years ago, you had to paper file the amended returns. Now you are able to electronically file those returns. And to give you a time frame, right? It could take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, right? And remember that the IRS is it's an agency of the federal government, and it unfortunately takes time, right? But the most important thing is that you're clear when you are amending your returns. You have your supporting documents. That's the most important thing. Once you do that, then you have an idea of how much money you are owed from the IRS. And now you know that you'll be receiving that money in the future. And, rest assured, the IRS is generally understanding when it comes about honest mistakes. Okay, so if you're being honest and you have documents, right, and you have documentation and support information about why you're amending the returns, you can rest assured and you don't have to worry about it. However, it is crucial to address any errors promptly. As for the timeline, as I told you, it could take, anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. In the world of business, in the world of finance, taxes can be very complicated. It is essential to always stay proactive and work with a CPA that's able to understand your personal story, your family story, and is able to understand the business and the industry in which you operate. That is very important. That's very key. Amending your tax return is a responsible step toward ensuring the accuracy and compliance. And as always, if you have any questions or you have any concerns, do not hesitate to reach out. Remember, like navigating the complex financial landscape, we're here to guide you at every step of the way. And actually, let me share with you guys a story of a client of us that started working with us not too long ago. Our client operates in the industry. He operates in the construction industry. He sells products in the construction industry, right? His clients buy his products to renovate homes, right? So he's in the construction industry, as I said. And by working with our team, we took a look at his tax returns for the last 3 years, and we uncovered overpayments of taxes of over $100,000. Okay, so by working with us, we uncovered that he overpaid this money to the IRS. And we were able to amend his returns. We compiled all the information that we needed. We went over his tax documents. We went over his accounting documents, his records, and we were able to form a tax strategy that would allow him to qualify for over $100,000 worth of tax refunds. And guess what? He's very happy about it. Okay, so if you believe that you overpay taxes for the last 2-3 years, right, and you were not too happy with the accountant or the strategy that you follow in the past or the services that you were provided, give us a call, right? We're here to help you. As you can see, this success story highlights the power of being proactive with your finances. It's not about avoiding pitfalls. It's about seizing the opportunities that can make a substantial difference. Our team is here to help you navigate the complexities of the tax code, ensuring you are in the best possible position to achieve your financial goals. Thank you again. My name is Victor Delerme. I'm a CPA, and we'll see you soon.